Hey guys, Tush for Kids here, and today me and my sister are going to do the Play-Doh egg surprise. Hope you like the video. You can get started, Ollie.
So I'm going to open this yellow egg.
The rules are when she opens the eggs, she has to guess the shopkins name. If she gets it right, she gets 1 point. If she gets more of them wrong, she has to eat beenboozeled. If she gets them more right, then she doesn't have to. You can go ahead, Ollie.
Yay. So I got Wendy Marshall.
Let's see. No.
Oh no. So I got this guy.
Yeah.
I'm going to open this one.
Sorry about the noise. Just.
I got Chocolate.
No. That's not his name.
Oh, this one has two in it.
What?
So I got Delish Donut,
Correct. But it's not just the shopkin. What is it?
a keychain,
No, it's a charm. So you got that wrong.
but the name's white.
No, I know. So you got that correct. Ding, ding, ding.
I got Wendy Cake. It's actually her name.
Correct. Ding, ding, ding. Because it's probably a wedding cake, so Wendy cake. You got 2 right
And two
and
wrong.
2 wrong.
Let's open this little one. I hope it's a little one. I got Strawberry Kiss, Strawberry Kiss, Strawberry Kiss,
Well, you got the name right, but what is it?
Mahana.
No, it's a charm. 3 wrong and 2 right.
No.
Yes. Yeah, you got those ones right. Yeah, but you didn't get Strawberry Kiss. You said a hanger, so that's wrong. Strawberry Kiss is wrong. Okay, how many do you have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 left?
More left. Let's open one. Kitty Cake.
No.
I have 4 more left. Choco Lava.
No.
No, it's a rock.
Wrong.
I hope I get one right. Oh, I think I know this one.
I know that one.
Flutter Cake.
You're right. I was just going to tell the viewers, but you got it right. Ding, ding, dong.
I only have 2 more left, guys. I do not know this one.
So you're getting it since you don't know it.
Cakey Bake.
That's all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm just going to go get the beenboozeled, and
Oh no!
I'll go get them right now. So we have the beenboozeled there to compare. We have spoiled milk or coconut, dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie, rotten egg, buttered popcorn, toothpaste or berry blue, bar for peach, canned dog food or chocolate pudding, booger or juicy pear, moldy cheese or caramel corn, stinky socks or tutti frutti, lawn clippings or lime.
Lucas, you can put the beenboozled
I
in
know.
this or this.
I'll put it in the cup. Okay, let's get started. So,
No.
so You have to. How many did you get wrong?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You have to eat 7 then. 1, 2, 3,
But not at the same
4.
time, right?
5, 6, 7. So tell the people what you got. So I think you got 2 spoiled milk, or 3 spoiled milk,
Toothpaste.
1 toothpaste, 1 dead fish, or what else was it?
Cut popcorn.
No, banana smoothie, and 2 buttered popcorn or barf. So let's get started.
I want to eat this one first.
Which one? Show us. Okay, so dead fish or banana?
Banana!
You got banana smoothie? Banana strawberry.
Don't put these chairs on the,
Okay.
because they scratched the
Right.
floors.
No.
Really?
No.
You don't like the smoothie?
No, I had a dead fish. So where do I put it now?
Just go get a cup.
Where are they though?
Be right back after this clip.
Guys. So, I'm back. So, we're gonna eat this one.
Okay, I think that is spoiled milk or coconut. Spoiled milk. What's that one? Buttered popcorn or barf?
Ball.
Spoiled milk or coconut? Spoiled milk. What was that? White? Wow. What's the last one?
Blue.
Okay.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste is the best bad one. So you can eat that. Now, since you got most of them wrong, you have to smell the cup.
No.
Yes?
What do you guys want for supper?
It's not supper yet.
You don't have to take it out of the freezer.
Okay. Bye, guys.